Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have a fantastic application which can give you huge amount of money just sitting at your home. Yes, the best part is you don't need to invest in this application, you don't require any specific skill to earn money on this one, and you can work from worldwide. It doesn't matter in which part of the country you are in, you can able to work on it. You just need to install some games or application and play games and refer your friends, or every day you have to log in that application, then you will be getting money in your account. You just have to properly watch this video till the end, and I'll let you know step by step how you can able to earn money online. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. First of all, you have to go to the Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you need to look for an application. It's called Make Money Free Cash. This is the application I was talking about. 4.6 rating, along with that more than 5 million downloads already done for this application. So I'm going to click on open and open this application. This is the interface which you will be getting here when you open this application. I already got 70 points with this application. First option is attendance rewards. That means whenever you log into this application every day, you will be getting 20 points automatically added in your account. And the second very easy thing which you can do with this application, you can simply invite your friends. See this? You will be getting 100 points whenever you invite any of your friend and refer it, then you will be getting 100 points. So you can refer as many as friends to this application. How you can able to earn huge money? See this? The first application you can see here, the Board Kings. Once you install this game and play this game, you will be getting 12,550 points straight away in your account. And it's a huge points which will get added in your account. And if I scroll it down, there are some small applications as well. Simply just install, you can get 65 points, and if you install this one, you will be getting 640 points and 115. And there are so many applications down there where you can get good money. See this one, this is 947 points. You can get it with this application just by installing this application. You can click on this more task, and here you can also watch videos. Click on that. If you simply just watch videos on this application, you will also get money. And if you complete the profile and Facebook task, you will get more money on this one. Now let's talk about the payout. When I click on this payout, you will be getting $50 on every 50,000 points. I show you an application which is giving you 12,500 points with only one application. And there are so many applications which are giving you more than 500 points only downloading one application. So you can easily earn $20 to $50 every day just by installing application and playing games on this application. There is no easy work than this one. I will be putting the link of this application in the description. You can download it from there, or if you have any questions about it, you can simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.